Good morning. It's a beautiful sunny morning. The day is actually forecasted to be quite hot, so I want to do the ride fairly promptly this morning before it gets into the 30s again, which is starting to get too hot when it's 35 degrees. Not bad for towards the end of September, so can't complain at all. Anyway, today's short adventure is going to be to inland lake at a place called Salinas. I don't know if it's actually going to be a lake or just a salt bed, because it is an old salt works. And some of the pictures I've seen online show it with loads of water, and others just a muddy mess. So we shall see. It's not too far a ride out there. Hopefully I can get the drone up as well if I can find a suitable spot. It's pretty remote. The only thing I did notice, there's quite a lot of power lines, big pylons across some of the fields there, so definitely want to avoid those. A bumpy little road, this. Ooh. Case in point. Didn't see that. Well, I see the lake. Well, it's not a lake. It's a mud pile. It's dried out at the moment. Oh well, I'm going to go down to it. There's some an old saltworks factory which I can see just shy of the hill that's there. Thought the road was closed this then. See the gravel. Just a bend in the road. come off the tarmac and going down this track, and this should lead me to the old salt factory. I can see the ruins of the factory, or I could do a few minutes ago, and when I looked on the maps last night, this should lead me to it. And it's saying forbidden to pass, or at least to the lake, which is not a lake. It's a pile of mud, salt or whatever. So this was once a thriving salt production. There's actually a sign up ahead as well, giving some information. Well, I think this is going to be a perfect spot for some video with the drone. I think the factory's seen better days. Well, that was quite interesting. The salt works opened 1750, I think, and closed in 1960. So it was around for quite some time before falling out of use. So I'm just going to start making my way home. This wasn't planned to be a long ride, so just right. Get home, have a cup of coffee, which sounds like an excellent idea.